Welcome! As winter approaches, it's time to embrace the festive spirit with fun, cozy, and charming decor. Today, we'll explore unique and adorable snowball decor ideas that will bring a touch of winter magic to your home. Whether you prefer rustic, modern, or whimsical styles, there's something here for everyone. Rustic galvanized bucket with snowballs. Fill a printed galvanized bucket with fluffy snowballs and add a small red bow for a lively rustic look. Woven vase with snowball ornaments. Decorate a woven vase with large branches, twinkling lights, and snowball ornaments. This makes a chic statement for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Snowball candle holder. A candle holder styled like a snowball adds a cozy, farmhouse charm to any room. Wooden basket with snowballs. Place snowballs in a wooden basket for a rustic yet elegant decoration that works both inside and outside the house. Gift wrap with snowballs. Wrap your gifts in craft paper and top them with fluffy snowballs for a fun and festive touch. Rustic bucket with snowballs and sign. Fill a bucket with large snowballs and add a sign for a simple, rustic decoration that works anywhere. Crystal bowl with snowballs. A crystal bowl filled with fluffy snowballs and hot pink ornaments makes a cute, easy-to-create centerpiece. Snowball Christmas wreath. Hang a snowball wreath with a large red bow on your door to instantly bring a magical, wintry feel to your home. Snowball and fir twig ornaments. Combine snowballs with fir twigs, pine cones, and berries to create adorable tree ornaments or standalone decorations. Winter centerpiece with fir twigs and snowballs. Create a stunning winter centerpiece with snowballs, fir twigs, pine cones, and mini red ornaments. Hanging mini snowballs. For a chic winter touch, hang mini snowballs and crystals as a room divider or simple decoration. Lit-up snowball bathtub. Place lit-up snowballs in a small metal bathtub for a rustic winter vibe that's perfect for any room. DIY snowball ornaments. Create small snowball ornaments with a personalized tag for a cute DIY Christmas decoration. Snowball garland on the mantel. Drape a snowball garland over your mantel alongside greenery and a burlap runner for a chic, snowy look. Snowball and light garland. Add some lights to your snowball garland for a festive, glowing touch on your mantel.